Hello, I'm Fernando from Smart Restaurant Supply. Do you need a... What's my line again? Oh. Do you need a high-performance, compact design oven that's easy to operate and energy efficient? Cadco ovens are the right solution for you. Learn more in a bit. One of the most notable features of these convection ovens is the door itself. There's a long metal handle that runs the length, so no matter what side you're on, you can grab it. Metal hinges allow easy opening and consistent opening for years to come. Dual-pane glass doors ensures that the inside is insulated for more heat and energy efficiency, and the outside stays cool to the touch for enhanced safety features. The exterior and interior are made from stainless steel, giving you years of durability and corrosion resistance. 4 pan racks are included with each oven, and the powerful motor blower ensures that there's even heat across all your food for consistent results. These things are really easy to use. All you have is a timer knob to time your products and a temperature adjustment, so you can throw in cookies, breads, whatever you need, and bake them in just like that. And last but not least, Smart carries 3 different sizes of these ovens, so no matter what your demands look like, we have you covered. If you want to shop more Cadco convection ovens or other baking essentials, you can walk right into any one of our 15 Superstore locations today or shop online at asmart.com.